Hornbill Festival laga final din de Bollywood actor Zayed Khan special appearance dishe. Reporter Christian Opra, actor logode Khota Krishin, Abi Sabu report ekta.
All right, Hornbill TV right now is here with the very famous actor Zayed Khan. He has reached Nagaland yesterday.
Yes.
Yesterday, and Hornbill TV is here to speak to him exclusively about his first visit to Nagaland and the Hornbill Festival. How are you feeling? And since yesterday, how has it been your visit to Nagaland?
I'm just looking at you and getting excited. I mean, your spirit is like amazing. I think you're also looking forward to like tonight, huh?
Yeah.
Huh? The last day. No, I'm actually very honored to be here at Hornbill. I mean, I just saw a fantastic show of all the tribes showcasing their, culture. And, what I love about this whole entire thing is how all the tribes celebrate their differences and, accept each other. And, how this festival sort of makes music, culture, contemporary ideas, handicrafts all come together. I think it's a beautiful thought process, a beautiful festival. And I think a lot more people should come, because this is really a treat, guys. I mean, I've come to Nagaland for the first time, and I can just say it's like a heaven on earth. So stop going abroad all the time. Come here; it's so much more fun, and I'm looking forward to tonight. Yes.
This is one question we're asking to almost all the tourists coming from outside Nagaland also. You are speaking about the unique culture of the Nagas. How can the Nagas make that as a statement and take that out as a message for us in general outside Nagaland and even outside India?
So I was introduced very briefly to the idea of what Hornbill actually stands for and the bird itself, and how all the tribes come together on this one unique bird and how it celebrates its life. And wearing the hornbill feather is considered to be one thing that all the tribes do. And it was just very interesting to see, such diversity in one state. I mean, I was also told that the languages are different between tribes, And there's just one language, which is Nagamese, which is a mix of Naga and Hindi and a little bit of everything, हाँ थोड़ा आप अभी सवाल नागा में पूछो हाँ.
So it's basically like बात खाइशना नहीं. Did you understand that?
Did you ask me? Are you enjoying the festival?
No. Okay, another question. किन्ने का लगे ऐसे?
How are you liking the festival so far?
Yes, similar. How are you feeling? That was very nice. So, did you try the Naga cuisines, which is also very unique again? Naga cuisines. You were at the Angami Morung yesterday.
I have tried some amazing Naga food. I love spicy food, so I'm naturally liking Naga food. I had a lot of the snacks that were given on the festival, and it's delicious to say the least. What's that?
Rice beer?
Yes. In fact, it's very it's very light.
Okay.
It's very nice.
Okay.
It's more like a soft drink, but it's a beautiful beer. It's tasty.
Okay.
I think it's the kind of beer that if anybody is ever having a beer to begin with, they can start off with that.
Okay.
It's beautiful, and I love the bamboo glasses. I'm gonna pick up. Hey, I want to pick up a few of those bamboo glasses, by the way. Yeah.
Let me ask you another question. How long are you staying, and what kind of appearance are you going to give the people today? Are you going to be in the main arena today?
I am definitely going to be in the main arena, but I'm going to be a spectator. I'm going to let the musicians do their thing, and I'm going to see everybody have a good time. And, sometimes it's not necessary to do something to have a good time. Sometimes it's just necessary to be part of something. So I want to be part of the celebrations, and I want to see everybody else have a good time, and I think that makes me have a good time.
Last one, please. What will you describe of the Nagas in one word when you go back to your place?
Strong and very hospitable when they love you.
Okay.
I don't know if when they hate you what happens, but when they love you, I'm assuming so.
Okay. Lastly, can you I'll teach you a Nagami sentence. Okay. Maybe you can say that on camera for the viewers.
Let's try.
Apni khange
আপনি খাঙ্গে
log paige na
log paigna
bishi khushi paise.
bishi khushi paige.
So that was like meeting you guys. I was very happy.
Enormously happy.
Yes. So nice to meet you. Thank you so much for speaking to Hornbill TV. Thank you so much. So this was Hornbill TV's conversation with the very famous actor Zayed Khan. Reporter K. Christian Yokewa, camera person Joy Watch, Hornbill TV, Kisama.